Hey everybody, Ned over at My Philippine Screams, and our continuing quest for the perfect 3-bedroom, 2-bath house continues. Right now we are in Upper Cantilly, in just northwest of Dumaguete City. Excuse me, it's hot and it's been a long day already. And we're gonna check out one of the offerings. The owner here is asking 20,000 pesos a month. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and as you'll notice right off the top, it's got very nice windows. It's got the sliding windows that insulate a lot better than the jalousie windows. So if you got aircon going, you're gonna save money there. The only downside at this point, and this could be negotiated with the owner possibly, there's no screens for the windows. But these are form-fitted, they can build screens, they can put in screens, possibly, I'm not sure. But you gotta have screens, screens are important. All right, I don't know about lighting here. Electricity's not on, so the video's gonna be dark. Apologies for that. This is the main living area. It's also got good security grating. This is good solid security grating right here. So this is the living area. It's spacious, airy. It's got high ceilings, which is nice in the heat. And we're up in altitude a little bit, so it's actually cooler up here than it is down in lowland Dumaguete, where we are at. This is the kitchen area. It comes with a stove, nice stove. Stoves are good. And this is another downside, is there's no cabinetry installed, so everything is open, bare, and it just doesn't look that nice. So there's that. Also, the interior of the house could use a coat of paint. Paint would totally transform this house. And as people know, maybe, when I moved into the house, the pink house that we have now, I painted the interior of the house myself, mauve, just like this, beige I should say, and it's great. All right, this is one of the bedrooms. This is what I like to call a Filipino-sized bedroom. And again, need some paint. It just looks grimy. Needs paint. It's got the nice window. So this is a small bedroom right here. There's a bath right here. I don't know. All right, again, apologies for the lighting. There's no hot water heater, but those are pretty easy to install. The crawl space is right up there. That's where they run the power lines. There's no lip for the shower, so when you take a shower in here, it just goes all over the place. I mean, you could put up a curtain, it'll cut down on that somewhat, but also need some paint. This is the biggest room. This must be like the master bedroom. This is nice. I mean, this is big, spacious, but again, could use paint. I don't know if it's, oh, you can see all the stains. That's all tuco poops and stuff, gecko poops. It's got a slot for a small aircon. It looks like you can only fit about a 0.5, 0.75 horsepower in there. I would install the inverter aircon here. But this is a nice spacious room. And here's the master bath. Again, there's no lip for the shower, so water gets all over the place. No water heater, but again, not difficult to install. Jalousie window there. A Lafonza. It's made by Henry Winkler. And it looks like it comes with this storage container right here. Yeah. And so that's 2 bedrooms. Also, I don't know what they had right here, but just gotta fill that in and paint it. And I love this tile. I love this faux wood tile. It's really cool. And this is the 3rd bedroom. It's kind of small too, but it's actually bigger than our bedroom. It's a lot bigger than our bedroom right now. And it's got 2 windows. Again, lack of screens, not good. And again, a little paint. So there it is, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The owner is asking 20K. That seems to be somewhat negotiable. And I just want to say, I've seen a lot of situations like this because I've seen a lot of houses. And what the owner would be in the best interest of the owner would be to invest in some paint, get some dongs, get some rollers, and just have them paint the whole interior of the house. Get it sparkling and shiny. Get some cabinetry. Cabinetry, just the front facing cabinetry, wouldn't be that expensive to install. You get some nice cabinetry in there. You clean things up. You paint, and you put window screens in. And if they did all that and got it looking sparkly, shiny, new, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, in a nice area of Dumaguete, it's quiet, it's cooler up here because we're at altitude, it's not too far from Hypermart and all that stuff just down the hill, they could get 20. Oh, let's take a spin around the yard. The soil here is obviously good because there's bamboo, so it's bamboo soil. Got some fruit trees and got some jackfruit. So if you like jackfruit and papaya, and it looks like those papaya are ripe and ready to go. And if I was 20 years younger, I'd climb up there and get some. That's jackfruit right there. This is the dirty kitchen area. It's covered, it's got a little ceiling. It's got overhead cover. So you'd have your stove out here. You got a sink, and you got some plants growing. Again, just a little cleanup. Get the stuff over there. I don't know what that's all about. Yeah, my lens is dirty. I don't know why. So anyways, right here you got another jackfruit, and you see the size of that. It's jackfruit. Nice. And this must be the septic tank right here. And you have a mango tree right here. And some more. And there's a gate right there, so you could park your car here. There's no carport or anything. And as you see, this is what my house looked like before I just got some water, a hose, and a scrub brush. That's all lizard, that's all gecko shit right there. And that's not difficult to get off. So that's it. That's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Owner's asking 20,000 pesos, which is about $400. If you are interested and want to contact the agent, the number for her is down in the video description box. So if you're in Dumaguete City and you want to contact the agent and check this place out, negotiate some stuff with the owner, you can do that. Her phone number will be down in the video description box. If her number is not down in the video description box, that means it is rented. All right, enough babbling. Hope everybody is well. This is Ned over my Philippine dreams. Puppies, rainbows, unicorns, and 3-bedroom, 2 baths for everybody. See you next time. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.